iSteady Pro 3 Unboxing and Tutorial Video. User Guide. iSteady Pro 3. Mini tripod, gimbal charging cable, camera charging cable, storage bag. You could install the tripod first for iSteady Pro 3. Install action camera. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the iSteady Pro 3. After turning on the iSteady Pro 3, turn on Wi-Fi control. Wi-Fi indicator light blink means no connection. Enter GoPro settings. Turn on Wi-Fi connection. Click Connect. Select Smart Remote. If the iSteady Pro 3 Wi-Fi indicator light is on, which means it is successfully connected. After the iSteady Pro 3 is connected, you can tap the power button on the handle to control camera for taking photo, and double tap to switch video mode. Again, tap the power button to control camera for recording. Except the power button's power on/off function, it can control action camera to take photos or videos through Wi-Fi connection. Besides, it can be single taped to check the gimbal battery status, and battery indicator shows the available battery power. Push the joystick left and right to adjust the pan axis, up and down to adjust the tilt axis. Mode button. Single tap to switch working mode, corresponding to the mode light. The slider is for controlling the roll axis. Trigger button. Press and hold to start the sport mode. Double tap for recenter the gimbal. For more functions, please use iSteady Pro 3 with hohem Gimbal app. Download hohem Gimbal app. Please scan the QR code below. After downloading, please turn on the phone's Bluetooth and enter the app. Select iSteady Pro 3 product model. Click Sure to connect to the Bluetooth. Click Control to enter into the virtual joystick interface. The virtual joystick can remotely control the shooting direction. Click on the center to recenter the gimbal. The working mode can be switched below. Enter the motion time-lapse settings. You can set the shooting track. The 3 angles of pan, tilt, roll axis are adjustable, and up to 6 waypoints can be set. After that, you can wait for the motion time-lapse effect. You can enter the app settings to adjust various parameters of the iSteady Pro 3, such as follow speed, joystick speed, etc., and set personalized parameters. iSteady Pro 3 has a built-in 3600 mAh power bank. It can charge the camera through the power output port with the charging cable. You can charge the action camera while shooting videos, and no need to worry about action camera's battery life anymore.